two of the most powerful technologies today are AI and blockchain. But how can they work potentially together? Today's guest, Dariia Porechna, can speak about this technological synergy. Dariia, welcome to Open Source.
Hello. Hi, Bobby. Thank you for having me today, and hi to our audience. Really pleased to be here.
Yeah, look, I'm very excited for this episode because it's very high level, and my goal is just to keep up with you, Daria, because I know you're a super genius. But let's start at the beginning with AI and blockchain. How would you define each of those technologies, like individually first?
Okay, so well, it's true that we are on the front forefront of both. So AI is kind of a mathematical brain. It's a program that allows you to read the ton of data that people have created, learn from it, and to recreate people's language and behavior from this mathematical machine and to that's what generative AI is.
Mhm.
There is a lot of types of AI. There is also AI in your iPhone camera that just like it learns from what people in pictures like most and tries to recreate that. There is also AI that tries to learn how people walk and tries to walk. So it basically like learns from a lot of data and recreates it. Blockchain, on the other hand, is like an open, secure digital order book. It's a ledger that has order of everything that has happened between all of the participants that participate in this blockchain network. So it's kind of like banking without a bank. It allows for global collaboration. It allows for everybody to keep up what everything else is doing and to agree on something together in a secure and verifiable way that's guaranteed mathematically.
Okay, good. Look, and look, let's just and obviously I know what they mean, but for the audience, it's just to have a starting point because we're going to talk about how they're going to work together. And why do you think it makes sense for these two technologies to work together?
I think that's like they're really natural collaborators because what AI needs today for it to learn is like a lot of data for it to be able to recreate what humans do best. And blockchains is a technology that allows for really global participation without no single point of failure, without no single party that controls it. And AI being such a powerful technology, and I really think it's the most powerful technology of our generation, um, it really needs to have global participation in it. It needs to have global accountability on how it's being developed, and it needs to have global access for everybody to be able to benefit from it, just like internet and electricity.
Okay, and what challenges do you see for the two working together?
The biggest challenge that we have today is, I would say, on the side of blockchain, because AI systems, the way they are done today, need a lot of compute and a lot of electricity, and they are currently best done on big data centers of companies like Google and Microsoft that have both a lot of data and a lot of computers, GPUs in the same place, so they can communicate really, really fast, and they're only able to do that because of the basically infinite budget. On a decentralized systems like blockchains, like the one that we are building, that relies on a lot of people being everywhere around the world with their home hardware that in total may have as many compute as an AI system needs. But because people are far away, because their computers are different, because of communication delays, it is not able to support the speed of execution of an AI to have usability, let's say, to have fast responses, to have good generation, and to have training in any, well, practically achievable time right now. So scalability to me would be the most biggest challenge to decentralized AI right now.
Okay, and like your company, we're getting into it right after the break, but it's very interesting what you're doing because you've definitely thought about where AI is going, where blockchain is going, and how you're going to unite them together. And honestly, like I've seen a few people kind of trying the synergy, but I think that you're doing it, I don't know, better than almost anyone I've seen. I've got Dariia Porechna here on open source.